It's All About the Cloud by Kenneth Odoko. Introduction to Cloud Computing. Are you ready for what is next? We are entering into a new era of computing, and it's all about the cloud. What is cloud computing? Is it real or just another buzzword? And most importantly, how does it affect me? Cloud computing is completely real and will affect almost everyone. In this day and age, we have all become aware of the computing movement and we are all affected when major changes occur. The term cloud refers to the computing power that is available across the internet. In a sense, the cloud is rapidly transforming a worldwide network of computers into the largest single virtual computers in the world. We shall be considering 1. What is cloud computing? 2. Why cloud computing? And 3. Ways that you can use the cloud. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing simply means computing over the internet, which simply means that you can log onto a website to do whatever you might normally do on a PC or local server. Cloud computing let us do all of our computing on the internet as a viable alternative to buying, installing, upgrading, uploading, downloading, backing up, and otherwise managing physical hardware, operating system, and software. It doesn't require a big upfront investment because you rent only what you need and as you need. Why cloud computing? Why is cloud computing any better than ordinary desktop computing? The answer depends on who you are. Cloud computing for end users. For an end user, cloud computing allows one to run software application and access data from any place and time and from any computer without the need to ever install, upgrade, or troubleshoot software applications physically on a local desktop or server. This is one of the most important elements of cloud computing and is the reason why it has become so popular today. Cloud computing for a system administrator. The superiority of the cloud model is apparent when we realize that desktop applications are more static and that cloud application can be continuously refined. Desktop application must be physically installed on a PC, upgraded periodically, have patches applied when they become available, and reinstalled when the user moves to a new desktop or when the old one crashes. And the cloud model eliminates those inconveniences. All you need to do is just buy a new PC and you can still access your cloud application without having to reinstall anything. Cloud computing for software developer. There is an even bigger advantage on the development end because the applications are delivered from a common code base from a central location that upgrades to the application. Patches and fixes can be pushed out to the user transparently. Desktop application requires the user to actively install a patch or at least allow for an auto connection to take place. We must wait for the upgrade to come in over the internet and then must reboot the system for changes to take effect. Since it does not exist on the desktop, a cloud application does not have that requirement. All upgrades take place on the back end, requiring no intervention, action, attention, or patience from the end user. This makes it much easier for developers to continuously upgrade their application and to push those upgrades out to users on a real-time basis. Ways that you can use the cloud. There are a lot of ways you can use the cloud. Basically, everything you use online is going through some kind of cloud services, like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Netflix, OneDrive, and LinkedIn. The future is the cloud. Thank you very much.